In the last video, I showed you how I made $20,000 selling digital products. So in this video, I want to show you step by step how you can start selling your digital products. And if you have not watched that video, I'm going to put it here so that you can go ahead and watch it and you'll be able to learn how to also create your own digital product. So now that we have created our digital product over commerce, the most important thing now is how to actually get sales from our products. So even if you create products and then nobody is able to buy those products or nobody knows that those products exist, even if it's the best product in the whole world over commerce, you are not going to make money from that product. So you have to advertise your product. Thank God for social media that you can be anywhere around the world and you can sell your products anywhere around the world. So this is time for everybody to be able to make money on the online space. So I'm going to be showing you how I use Pinterest to advertise my digital products. The first thing I want you to do is to come here on Pinterest. So when you come here on Pinterest, you have your niche. You already know what you've created your digital products on. So I want you to come here on this search. You can just search whatever title that your digital product is on. You'll be able to see similar pins here on Pinterest. So if you scroll here, there are going to be so many different pins in your area. And so just go ahead and click on them. When you click on them, for example, let's say we come here, this one that says 500 digital product ideas. If we click here, for example, then it says visit site. If you click here, it's going to take you somewhere. Exactly. So it brings you to the person's shop, and now you'll be able to see the price for that product. Somebody needs this product, they are going to click here and then they are going to buy this product. They are going to click here and they are going to buy this product and it will be sent to them digitally. So now how do we get to this point where we are able to do something like this? That's exactly what I want to show you today. So now that we have an idea what we want to create, I want you to go to Canva. So when you come to Canva, if you don't have an account, you can create a completely free account. So just come to Canva and then go ahead and just type whatever you want. You can type digital product if that's what your area is in, or let's say you just put Pinterest pin. So I like to put Pinterest pin, then I put exactly what my niche is in. I'm just going to put it on the side. Let's say digital product, I'm just going to write it there. So when you've created that, you click enter, and then it's going to bring so many different pins. The reason why it is good for you to put like your niche is so that it's going to bring something that is related to your niche. Let's just say digital product. So right now it's going to bring templates for many different digital products. So just look through and see if there is anyone that interests you. Let's say for example this is something that looks like the one we saw before, and now you can pick any of them. There are just so many over commerce. So go ahead and take any. Let's say I take this one for example, and then you come here to where it says customize. Now you are going to customize this. You can change any color. Let's say I don't like this color. I'm just going to click here. I'll come here to where the color is, and then I can change the color to anything that I want. So maybe you have your brand, you have some specific colors that you are using for your brand. You can go ahead and then you change that color. You use the colors that you use for your brand. So you can see how easy it is to change it. Let's say I come here, for example, I want to change this. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to come and I will look for whatever color that I want. Let's say I want something like that, then I'm going to also go ahead and change it. After you've made all the changes that you want, you can write whatever thing that interests you. You put the title of your product or whatever thing that you want to make. So if you don't know much what to do, you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to give you information. So another thing that you can do is that you can just come here, open a new page like this. Come here where you have design, and now you are going to see so many similar products. You are going to see so many different pins that are related to the pin that you already have here. So for example, I can just come and then I'll take another one just like this. I go ahead and take another one just like this. So this is how easy you can create so many pins over commerce. Now after you've done that, now you see how this is. You can also just come here and change it to your colors so that it matches your brand colors. And so that is how you can start branding. You can start putting everything together. Now when we have done everything, of course, when you are doing that, I'm just showing you this just so that you can see how you can make the changes. Then you go ahead, you edit whatever they have. You go ahead and make any changes on the writings and edit it to whatever you want. So after you've done all of that and you are satisfied with your digital product, you come here to where it says share, and then you go to download. Then you just make sure that you can download them one at a time. I always just take out this. Then I'll go to the particular one that I want to download. And then I'm just going to go ahead and I'll download it just like this. So now we have our pin. So now we have downloaded our pin. So the next thing is for you to go and sign in your Stand store, and then you go ahead and get the link to your product. So you can just come to your product like this, and then you go ahead and then you copy the link. So after you've copied your link, now we have to go to Pinterest and then we create everything. So when you create your Pinterest account, make sure you have the one that says business account. So when you have your business Pinterest account, what you are going to do is that you are just going to come here to where it says business hub. You see it right here. Now you click here on business hub, and then you come here to where it says create pin. You click there. Now what you are going to do is that you just go ahead and pull the pin that you just created and you drop here. See what is happening. Now you have to fill out every information. You put your title for your product right here and make sure that it's searchable, because when people come and they are searching on Pinterest, that's how the names that you are putting here, that's what is going to help your own product, your own pin to be able to come up. Then you also make sure you write your description. You can go to ChatGPT and use ChatGPT to write a beautiful description, so that when people come here, they are able to read it and then it's attractive to them. Remember that every word that you write matters. This is how people are going to buy your product. And just remember that there are so many people, there are so many pins here. So you have to differentiate yours. You have to make yours to really be good, so that when somebody read it, they are like, I need this. So after you've done all of that, then go ahead and take your link and just put here. You see how I've pasted my link, so I'm going to just write a description so that I'll show you how it looks at the end. And now you can create a board. So a board just means the same pin, so pins that are in the same niche. So for example, let's say you are creating things on weight loss, you are talking about food, you are talking about diet, you are talking about a different type of food that they can eat, you are talking about fruit, you are talking about exercise. So those can be different boards that you can create. So everything that is related to each other, you can make separate boards for them. So now when you have done all of that, you come here, you also put tags here. This tags should be something that is related to your product, something that is also searchable. Now, after you are done with everything, you come here, you click here on publish. So now your pin is going to be published on Pinterest. So let's go ahead. This is our pin that we just created. So if you click here on your pin right here, this is a pin that we just made here on Pinterest. And if you come here and click here where it says visit site, see what happens. Guess what, overcomers? It brings us directly to our product. And this is exactly how customers are going to start buying your product. So it brings them here. They can now come here to your product, and then they are going to put their cart, and then they are going to buy immediately. So you see that it is your Stand store product that you have connected. And so this is how customers can now start buying your product. I've also shown you in this video how to write blogs. So that's another way that you can sell your products. So you can now write blogs also and put the links to your products inside that blog post. And as people are reading it, people are getting value from that product. People are getting value from that blog. Then they are also going to be interested in your digital product. And that's how they are going to click and they are going to buy. For example, let's say you are talking about somebody taking care of their hair. I know that's an example I've used so many times. Now, you are explaining in that blog step by step how people can take care of their hair. And now, at some point, you can say in that blog that now this book that you have, this ebook is going to give you detailed information, including the products that they need. And guess what, overcomers? Inside that ebook, you can also put your affiliate links. So that is how all these things come together. So inside your book, you have affiliate links inside. So when people buy your book, those affiliate links are links that are going to help them to be able to solve their problem. And that is exactly what you do. Remember, the most important thing is that you are giving solutions to somebody. So when you create any digital product, it should be something that is going to meet somebody's needs. It should be able to give somebody a solution to the questions that they are already looking for. So you are not forcing people to buy your books. You are not making them buy it. You are just bringing it in front of them and say, this is what you are looking for. Here we go. So it's more like a gift to them, right? So they are buying it. They are buying it to solve the problem that they have. And so that is how you do business, and that is how you sell your digital product. Hopefully everything is clear, and I just wish you all the best on your journey. If you have any question, go ahead and put it in the description box down below. If you need any information, everything is going to also be in the description, and you can go ahead and check me on my website, delphinetamukong.com, and you are going to read so much on my website. There are so many free articles there that are going to help you on your financial journey. Go ahead and click on this next video that is going to help you on your journey as you begin to build your financial life. I'm going to see you in that video.
Even now, when time has passed, I owe you all, 'cause I could not bring myself to try. And